Hi, today we are going to solve this integral quickly. Integral from 0 to infinity, natural log of x square minus x plus 1 over x square plus 1 times natural log of x. Okay, I'm going to start with your substitution. X is equal to 1 over u. Then we know dx is equal to minus du over u square. Then if we apply here, I is equal to, now we know 0 to infinity becomes infinity to 0. Then natural log of x square we know 1 over u square. Here x we know 1 over u. So if we take common denominator inside the parentheses, we know common denominator is u square. But natural log we have f of x over g of x type. So we know natural log of here we have again u square minus u plus 1 minus natural log of u square according to rule of natural log. Then here we have again 1 over u square, so u square plus 1 over u square, here natural log of 1 over u. Then dx we know minus du over u square. Then this u square get cancelled. Then here integral from 0 to infinity, when we change the boundaries, we know this minus sign get cancelled. So here we have natural log of u square minus u plus 1. Then again this part we can write 2 times natural log of u over, here we have u square plus 1 times minus natural log of u, and here du. Okay, now if we divide this part by the denominator, we have we know same as I, so we have minus I, so here minus I, then plus 2 times integral from 0 to infinity du over u square plus 1. This integral we know arctan, so arctan of infinity we know pi over 2, so 2 times I is equal to 2 times pi over 2, 2 get cancelled, I is equal to pi over 2. Okay, this is the answer for this integral. Thank you for watching.